Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to remove a floating keyboard can help you regain full screen space on your device, providing a more comfortable typing experience, especially when you no longer need a floating keyboard or if it's obstructing content on the screen. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Okay, and then here you can see that the floating keyboard is active. So if you feel uncomfortable with that, you can remove it by holding the underline here, and then you can drag it to the edge of the screen. Last, release it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove floating keyboard on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.